Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll discuss second chapter Internet Services. So, here learning target is information of retrieval, locating sites, using search engine, and finding people in the net. You did in the last year or that 8th class also the same topic is there. Topic was there. Then in web services, chat, email, video conferencing, e-learning, e-banking, e-shopping, e-reservation, e-governance, the e-group, social networking. This all will discuss in this topic. Then mobile technology, our SMS, MMS, 3G, 4G like this. So the internet is a revolution in information technology. It has become a fundamental necessity to living, working, interacting and communicating with people. The total number of users of the internet is known being million now. The high level of connectivity encourage an unparalleled degree of communication, resources sharing and information access. Positive use of the internet has huge advantages. The internet provides the useful data, information, and knowledge for the person, social and economic development, and it is up to the use us to utilize our time in the World Wide Web in a productive manner. So here, internet means a revolution means about the information technology, and it is nowadays it is very necessary for living and working and interacting and communicate with people means it is for us only to it is very important for us to means familiar with this internet, so we are working with the working with the help of this and then interacting and communicate with people. Then the total number of users internet known as nowadays millions of people were using the internet. Then it is a high level connectivity, communication degree of communication. Then sharing resources also, information access, all we are doing with the help of this internet. Then positively use of internet has huge advantages means that you are knowing every day and every schemes we are using the internet. The internet provides the means serves the useful data, information and knowledge for the personal, social and economic development, as it is up to the you to utilize our time on the world wide web in a productive manner. So the service of the internet can be categorized as communication services. Communication services allow of exchange between the individual or groups. But communicate service allow the exchange of information between the individual or groups. This is the communication service. So information retrieval services means information retrieval services allow easy access to information present on the internet, means it helps to access the information which is present in the internet with the help of this IRS information retrieval service. Then web service. The web service allow exchange of information between application on the web. Using web services, application can easily interact with each other. Means that web services exchange help us to exchange the allow to exchange the information between application on the web, and these services can easily interact with each other. Then World Wide Web WWW is also known as W3. It offers a way to access documents spread over the several servers on the internet. These documents may contain text, graphics, audio, video, and hyperlinks. The hyperlinks allow the user to navigate between the documents, which we are using here, World Wide Web. Then information retrieval. The internet is a huge storehouse of information, but it is also very easy to retrieve and use this information as and when we want. Then to access the web pages on the internet, We use a browser software. The browser is program that lets visit different website on the internet. So Chrome browser by Google and Internet Explorer are popular browsers. So information retrieval means internet is a huge storehouse of information. Any topic you are searching, and any topic you will be getting the different answers and links also the help of this. Then but how to retrieve the information, that software, browser software is should be there in your system or in your mobile, that with the help of this browser software you are able to access the internet. The browser is programmed to visit the different website on the net, and here the is the Chrome browser by Google and Internet Explorer are the popular browser that we are using nowadays. Then locating sites using search engine. Information on the internet is found by using search engines. A search engine is a web service that query millions of pages on the internet and creates an index of those web pages. Internet users can then use these services to find the information on the internet. To visit a site, you have to write the URL of the site in the browser and enter the keyword to search the information based on the topic. Google.com, Yahoo.com, Bing, Wikipedia.org, and Amazon are popularly used search engines. The result of a search could be a mix of web pages, images, videos, infographics, articles, research papers, and other types of files. So, locating sites using search engine means you are searching the content to where you are searching the content in search engine. Search engine, here different search engines are there: google.com, yahoo.com, then Bing, wikipedia.org, and Amazon. These are the most popular search engines are there. So if you want to search anything that you know the meaning or you know the answer of that particular content, so you may write the questions in the text box is given there. Search box is given there in every site. Select any, means suppose select the google.com, and where if you want to search, write the question, then press the enter button or press the key, go to search, that the answer will be displayed, and the answer should be displayed as mix of web pages, some links, then images, videos, infographics, articles, research paper, and other types of files it will display. Then how to search engine work? How to search engines work? Search engines maintain search How to search engine works. Search engine maintain real-time information by running an algorithm on a web crawler. Most search engines build an index based on crawling, which is the process through which engine like Google, Yahoo, and other find a new page to index. Mechanism knows as boards of spider crawl the web looking for new pages. So how it works, it maintain the real-time information, and then with the help of this running an algorithm like a web crawler, the engine build as index crawling, and the process will go like that other Google and other new pages index. Then finding people on the net. There are numerous sites on the internet and search engines that can be used to help the find people on the internet. This site could help to locating someone online as well as provide information about them, personal or professional. So, so many numerous means so many sites are there on the internet, and search engines are also there in the internet. So, how to search that people who are locating someone online means you have to search about them, that personal or professional. So you could see the site and find out the personal email ID, phone number, address, or destination with the help of this. So many of the services require registration or payment. To get more detail, you go through this link is there. So with the help of this means website is given here. There you can find the people whom you want to find. Then come to the internet relay chat. IRC is a service on the internet that allow people to communicate in real time and carry on conversation via the computer with one or more people. It means that real time we are chatting means you are sending message to me and I'm giving the response of your message like this. These are the real time internet relay chats, that the real time you communicate with your friends or relatives. Unlike the forms of group communication on the internet, chat is instant communication. However, both parties must be connected on the internet at the same time and running the right software. These are the that we are chatting with your friends and family members or colleagues at the real time. This is the internet relay chat. Generally, the user runs a program called client to connect with the IRC server. Once connected to the IRC server and IRC network, the user will usually join to one or more channels also in the chat room and converse with other there also. So with the help of this IRC, we are able to chat with our friends at real time communication or conversation. Okay. So next topic, chatting, we discuss in the next class. Thank you.